Grandma, are you gonna watch?
Okay.
Ready?
Ready?
So I made this slime. It's a cloud slime. And I'm gonna mix it up. Whoa.
Guess in the comments what color it's gonna make.
But don't cheat.
Ooh, there's purple.
Gonna probably love the color.
You gonna leave it like stripey, or are you gonna completely mix it all together?
I don't know.
I think it's gonna actually turn like blue. Because there's a lot of blue in there.
What color do you guys think it's gonna turn?
Actually, I kind of think it's gonna turn like a purple color.
Don't stop the video yet.
I didn't.
This is amazing slime. Want to see a cool drizzle? Ready? Let's show them. Well, that one wasn't actually that good. I can make it good. Okay, I love this. Whoa, look at the color.
And she made it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
This is the color.
It's very pretty.
There's still some to mix. Now I know what color it's gonna turn. It's not even done mixing. What?
I said I don't want to put anymore.
Keep putting. So this is so beautiful.
It's purple.
Yeah, but look at the color of the purple.
Mm-hmm. It looks more purple in reality. It looks blue on, kind of blue on here. You can't see because yeah, over there, as you can see. Hello.
This could be like, I don't know, famous.
Grape jam.
No.
I know, it doesn't look like grape jam at all.
What an amazing slime. Well, that's it for today's video. But, no, keep standing it on the slime. But